Viewers, pre this movie.
No sentence!
No sentence!
No sentence! No sentence!
Test you and send you home. Test you and send you home.
No sentence! Take my friend.
I'm not going to sell it. Exactly. I was at work in a land there, when the news are going on.
No sentence!
A few moments later.
We're not going away! Yes!
We think the government to move forward. All of them on the plane, so now. All of them have to do a split.
Soldiers over there. People are taking temperatures. We all have to have our temperature taken. And now we're queuing up to go into them buses over there to take us to our prison cell.
Oh my God, I'm sorry for that.
Fabulous. Very good. Oh, fabulous.
Excellent.
Absolutely.
2 days later.
So viewers, the Ministry of Health and Wellness says 20 passengers who arrived in Jamaica from the United Kingdom on Monday tested positive for the coronavirus. These 20 passengers have been placed in state isolation along with 4 of their close contacts and will be monitored until they are recovered. Additionally, the 20 positive samples will be sent to the Caribbean Public Health Agency for genetic assessment to determine if they are of the variant strain of COVID-19, the ministry said in a news release on Wednesday. The results for 2 passengers were still pending, while some 267 travelers, excluding the 4 close contacts, who have tested negative for the COVID-19, were on Wednesday transferred from state to home quarantine. The ministry also said that those being sent into home quarantine were fitted with armbands and will be closely monitored by the parish health team and the Jamaica Constabulary Force over the next 14 days of quarantine. Now, of the 301 passengers who landed, 5 were in-transit travelers and 3 were children under 12 years of age who were not sampled, according to the ministry. Experts are saying that the new strain of the coronavirus is transmitted up to 70 times more easily than the regular circulating strain. Consequently, more than 30 countries have banned travel from the UK since Sunday, following news of the fast circulating virus in the UK, which has led to rapid increase in infections, hospitalizations and death. Experts have said there is no indication that the new strain of the COVID-19 will be resistant to available vaccines.
Teach them. Hey, yo, yellow. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.